One thing that has eluded me personally as a scientist is the idea of varying flavors of custard. We will now examine this further with my lab partner, Dr. McNinja.
I, Dr. McNinja, and together we find out which custard go more faster. We try 2 types of custard. First, the normal custard, devil custard. And second, we try the chocolate flavored custard to see which go more faster. We leave the balls of custard, the tubs of custard, I should say, right here on this shelf. We open this bitter normal custard here. There we go. Look at that. Then we open the chocolate custard. I get the chocolate custard all over myself. And look at that chocolate custard. Now we simply leave them here until more shows on one of our experiment. Now I go to check the mold on the custard. Why don't you come with me? What? Dr. Bobby? What are you doing here? Dr. Bobby, have you been eating the chocolate custard?
Only for the good of science.
Oh, boy. Hey, your cheeks, they are a semitone apart. I was correct. My hypothesis was true. Another scientific discovery. Nothing seems to be happening, Dr. Bobby.
What do you suggest we do?
Well, I read once in the Journal of Science that if you dance tribally round custard, it goes moldy.
Let us attempt this experiment. We discovered that dancing around tribally was ineffective, which effectively is a point of science. So we have made a scientific discovery. We learned from a well-respected medical source that if you read books of significant spiritual level and depth to the custard, eventually it will grow moldy, perhaps as a sign of the hardened soul, the increased brainwaves, or perhaps just the time to read these publications.
I discovered he must have been lying, because I did a whole raft of funerals and never got paid once. I even used to pretend to cry. I could have got a BAFTA for the heartbreaking performances I gave up at that cremation. Look at this. Look, the normal custard. It's gone. Green and moldy. Doesn't it just look delicious?
And so our theory was correct. It seemed that because of some degenerate flavoring in the chocolate, we were able to notice that it decayed slower. Through our various catalytic experiments, we were able to increase this for the sake of home video, and we hope you've enjoyed this BBC broadcast. And so by the 3rd day we had decided that our methods were not working, so we attempted a loosely based bit of folklore saying...
Stop there.
Dr. McNinja.
Dr. Bobby, I'm afraid to have to tell you that. Under arrest, punk. NYPD. For conducting illegal experiments with custard.
What?
Come on.
But it's legal, we were in this together.
Have the right to remain silent.
I don't want to use it, though. We discovered... I just did your voice instead of mine. We soon learned from our well-known medical journal that leading...
7 sons. Are the custard going moldy yet?